Welcome to the Infusion Confusion. So, you're here because you want to learn about MS infusions? Look, I get it. Trying to understand medical stuff can sometimes feel like trying to understand why people like pineapple on pizza. It just doesn't make sense. But don't worry, we're going to break this down together. Think of me as your comedic tour guide through the world of MS infusions. Buckle up, it's gonna be a wild ride. Alright, let's get serious for a second. But not too serious, this is still a comedy show. MS is like that friend who always messes with your stuff. Except in this case, the friend is your own immune system and your stuff is your nerves. Basically, your immune system goes rogue and attacks the protective covering of your nerves, causing all sorts of wacky symptoms. Not cool, right? Now, where do infusions come in? You might be wondering why these bags of liquid gold are so important. Well, they're like the superheroes here to save the day. Just like superheroes swoop in to tackle the bad guys, infusions come to the rescue when your body needs them the most. These infusions are medications delivered directly into your bloodstream to calm down your overzealous immune system. They work quickly and efficiently, ensuring that the medication gets to where it's needed without delay. Think of it like giving your immune system a timeout. Just like a child who needs a moment to calm down, your immune system sometimes needs a little break to reset and function properly. There are a bunch of different infusions out there, each with its own personality and quirks. Some are gentle and slow, while others are fast and powerful. We've got the classic Ocrevus, known for its steady and reliable performance. Then there's the speedy Tisabri, which works quickly to get the job done. And let's not forget the I'll make you pee a lot Lemtrada, which, as the name suggests, might have you running to the bathroom more often than usual. But hey, it's all part of the process. It's like a buffet of infusions, and you get to choose. Each option is tailored to meet different needs, ensuring that there's something for everyone. So next time you see that lineup of liquid gold, remember, it's there to help you feel your best. Section 4. Infusion Wars, may the best drip win. In the world of medical treatments, not all infusions are created equal. Some are like heavyweight champions demanding your time and energy, while others are more like quick jabs in and out before you know it. Let's be real. Some infusions are just more high maintenance than others. They require a lot of preparation, monitoring, and sometimes even special equipment that can make the whole process feel like a full-time job. Some require you to camp out at the doctor's office for hours, turning your day into a marathon of waiting rooms and uncomfortable chairs. You might find yourself bringing a book, a snack, and maybe even a pillow to get through the long hours, while others are like, get in, get your drip, and get out of here. These are the infusions that respect your time, allowing you to get back to your life almost immediately. It's like a pit stop in a race, quick, efficient, and back on track. Some infusions might give you side effects like flu-like symptoms, because who needs a vacation anyway? These side effects can make you feel like you've been hit by a truck, leaving you bedridden and miserable for days. While others might leave you feeling like $1,000,000, revitalized and ready to take on the world. It's like a rejuvenating spa treatment that may leave you glowing and full of energy. But let's be real, infusions aren't designed to make you feel like your pre-MS self. They're designed to slow down progression, help prevent new lesions from forming and MS from progressing any further. They may at least make you feel like a few thousand for a while. The financial aspect can't be ignored either. Some treatments are costly, but the benefits they provide can make you feel like you've hit the jackpot. The point is, each infusion has its pros and cons, and it's essential to weigh them carefully. It's a balancing act between effectiveness, side effects, and the time commitment required. And finding the right one for you is like finding the perfect pair of jeans. It needs to fit just right, offering comfort and style without compromising on either. It takes time, patience, and maybe a few awkward fittings. You might have to try several options before finding the one that suits you best, but once you do, it's a game changer. Section 5. Finding your perfect infusion match. So how do you choose the best infusion for you? It's a question that can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to start by understanding your own needs and lifestyle. Well, that's where your doctor comes in. They are your guide through this complex landscape. They have the expertise to help you navigate the options and find the best fit for you. They're like the matchmakers of the MS world, helping you find the infusion that fits your lifestyle, your needs, and your tolerance for shenanigans. Your doctor will consider your medical history, your current health status, and even your daily routine. Be honest with your doctor about your concerns, your preferences, and your sense of humor, because laughter is the best medicine, right? Open communication is crucial. The more your doctor knows about you, the better they can tailor their recommendations. They'll help you weigh the risks and benefits and find an infusion that makes you feel comfortable and confident. Remember, this is a partnership. Your input is invaluable in making the best decision for your health. So, take your time, ask questions, and trust the process. Together, you and your doctor can find the perfect infusion match. Section 6. Laugh, infuse, and conquer. Listen, dealing with MS is no walk in the park, but that doesn't mean you can't have a sense of humor about it. Remember, laughter is a powerful tool. It can help you cope with stress, boost your mood, and maybe even impress your doctor with your witty banter. So go forth, my friend, embrace the infusions, laugh in the face of MS, and remember, you've got this.